The BJP-JJP coalition government in its 2-year tenure did nothing but scam, harass the farmer and the general public. This is to say of former Chief Minister and Leader Opposition Bhupen Singh Hooda. Hooda was addressing a press conference at his Rohtak residence today. 21 people have been killed and many are feared missing as a heavy rain pounded south and central Kerala, causing flash floods and landslides. The rise of communal tension in recent years owes much to the BJP's stress on two themes. One is high Muslim fertility that supposedly threatens the majority status of Hindus. Congress leader Navjot Singh Sidhu, who had agreed to continue as the party's Punjab chief after meeting Rahul Gandhi on Friday, has sought an audience with Sonia Gandhi to present a 13-point agenda for the development of the state. A Hindu temple has been vandalized in Bangladesh in a fresh case of communal unrest amidst days of violence unleashed by unidentified Muslim bigots who attacked the minority community's place of worship during the Durga Puja celebration over allegedly blasphemy, prompting a minority group to announce a country-wide hunger strike, media reports said on Sunday. The AIMS Student Association issued an apology on Sunday after video clips of a Ram Leela skit performed by some students of the institute drew widespread social media condemnation for allegedly hurting religious sentiments. Former Chief Minister and Leader Opposition Bhupen Singh Hooda has claimed victory of Congress in the Allahabad by-election. Hooda was addressing a press conference at former Minister Sukhbir Kataria's residence in Gurugram today. Petrol and diesel prices soared to new record high after rates were hiked again on Sunday by 35 paise a litre. A couple of days after convincing former India captain Rahul Dravid to take up the responsibility, the BCCI on Sunday issued advertisement for the post of head coach and 3 support staff as per Lodha committee mandated constitution. Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot held discussion on Rajasthan politics with Congress leader Rahul Gandhi at the latter's residence in New Delhi on Saturday night. NCP chief Sharad Pawar on Saturday said he had insisted that Uddhav Thackeray become the chief minister. Sara Ali Khan and Ibrahim had stepped out for a lunch outing with their mom Amrita Singh over the weekend, and the paparazzi got to witness a beautiful gesture by the family.